Hello guys, welcome to the 37th session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will decompile DLL generated by Blazor and will check classes generated from Blazor files. For this, open client-side project, open folder in File Explorer, open bin, debug, net standard. Here is a DLL for our project. I have already installed the ILSpy tool in Visual Studio. So let's open it from the Tools menu. You can also install its extension. The link for this plugin is available in description. Click on Open and select DLL and expand the node. Based on namespaces for class, it will generate tree structure. Let's open session 7 in Visual Studio. It includes just 4 files and it doesn't have a code block. It means it just have HTML to be rendered. And now expand this node in ILSpy to check class. It includes 4 different classes for each file. Click on the page class. It just includes buildRenderTree method, and in this method it will generate components using RenderTreeBuilder. We have already learned how to use it in session 9. This class will inherit from component base. Now set route attribute as per page directive and set the layout attribute. Now let's open session 10 in Visual Studio. Open custom block component. Here we have used 3 parameters and based on it generated HTML. Now check this in ILSpy. Here it includes parameters in the body of class with parameter attributes. Let's open session 11's class. Here we just have override method of component base and generated code includes all of those methods inside the class. Open session 13th. Here we have created an event handler. It was placed inside this class. And using event callback factory, this method will be bind on the onClick event. Now open session 27. Open sum class. In this class, we have used page directive multiple times with placeholders. Here it will add route attribute multiple times and it contains placeholders. It's the same as ASP.NET MVC or Web API. Now open session 32. Select GitHub profile form class. Here it includes property for HTTP client. However, we haven't created this property in our code. It will be automatically added because we have used inject directive to inject HTTP client service. This property is also decorated with an inject attribute. Here we have used ILSpy tool to check those generated files, but you can also view files within the project. All generated files will be stored under the obj folder. Open debug. Open Blazor under pages. Here it contains folder structure as per our Blazor components. Open the class. Here you can see that it was auto-generated file. By default, it includes those namespaces. In Imports Blazor file, we have added those namespaces and here it includes route and layout attributes and generated components using the builder. You can check other generated files to understand how Blazor internally combines those different files to generate a class for DLL and which will be sent to the browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.